Alright, so this is my workshop 2, which is experiment 8. I used the original code from the example 10 right here, but I changed a few things around and just tested some things. The frame rate I changed to 25, which basically just made stuff smoother, like the rotation of the image. And then this if statement I changed, it originally had nothing in it, which basically had it to where there would be no movement if the mouse was far left enough, but I added a counter minus, which if I run it here, if I move it left, then it moves the opposite direction, but if I have it in the middle, then it stops, and if I move it to the right, then it would move the original direction. So